Howdy fellas, we're going to talk about a period of history today that I haven't really touched on this channel. That's the period of 1861 to 1865, commonly referred to as the Civil War, which in reality it wasn't a civil war because it wasn't two factions fighting over control of one capital or one government. So call it what you want to. But anyhow, this is what's known as the corn boiler, or sometimes referred to as a bucket, the mug bucket. You can see it has a lid, and it also has a bell on it where it can be hung up from like a fork stick over a campfire, and you could cook whatever. You can make coffee in it for that matter, and you cook your food in it and then pack it away and carry it with you. And that's just one of the items that they would have used to get by in that terrible period of time. It's just something different I wanted to show to you, and you can find these places, or these buckets, online a lot of places. You can see this one's pretty well used. It's been over a fire before. That's because I used to be a reenactor in the 24th Tennessee Infantry Company B Duck River Rifles, Confederate States Army of America, years and years ago, but don't do that anymore. But thought that might be something interesting you'd like to see, and as always, thank you for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind you, top knot pilgrim.